Hello friends, nice to see you again. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about table. So up to here we already completed. I will show you again that is up to here we already completed. So in this tutorial, I am going to explain about table. So for table, we are using table tag. This is our table tag. If you are going to create your table, first you need to write table tag and you need to close it. So in this table you can see TR, that is stand for table row. So I have first, close, second and third. It means I have three table row and I have three table data. TD stand for table data and we need to close it. So you can understand here we have three row and we have three column. So I'll show you this output, copy and paste. Save, see my output, see here. Here we have three row and three column. Ramesh Krishna 100, Shivaji 94, Atul Sharma 80 marks. So in this table you can see it's very small. If you want to increase its width, you need to use style. So I am going to use style, that is style with 100%. So copy and here I am pasting. So we need to use table style with equal to 100%. So it means my table is going to occupy 100% of this width. Inside width it in width it will take 100%. So save. I'll show you my output. So width is increasing. So I have three row and three column. Width is increasing. But you can see here is no border. For that we have property border. Border equal to 1. So I'm just trying to copy border 1 equal to 1. So for this thing, it will take one border of width 1. So border 1 style 100%. We have table row 1, 2, 3 table row. We have 3 column. Table for starting any table. We need to use table tag and we need to close it, save and see output. So bang, here you can see border, but in this border you can see here we have border, but we don't, there is no border. We have for say is data, we have one border for second Krishna and 100 marks, and then for each we have every data we have border separately and one for table. So if you want to collapse, so we need to use properties border collapse. So for that, for before that I am going to use in border, I am going to use style for my border. So save. I am going to use property style. So inside style I am using for copy. So if you are going to use style, you need to use style tag, and style tag you need to write your code. I'll explain you in CSS tutorial. I don't have TS, that is stand for table heading. I don't have, so I'm removing that part. Save and see my output. Yes. Oh, something is problem here. Yes. Border 1 pixel solid black is correct only. So you can see that thing I am using with style. So if you want to collapse, we have property collapse border. So I am trying to copy, I don't have to type. So we have border collapse, property is called collapse. So here copy. So here we have border 1 pixel solid black, so it will take border of 1 pixel, solid color is black and border color collapse. Yes. Table data style is with 100% table row. We have three table row and we have three column. So save and see my output. Yes, bang, it's collapse. Yes, you can see it's collapse, but you can understand here we don't have like, here we have name, first name, second name, and here we have marks. But you cannot understand because here is no heading. If you want heading, we need to use GS tag. That is stand for table heading. So I'm going to use table heading. So table heading. So I'm going to use one, including one more row. Save. Table heading stand for table heading, first name, last name, and points. So I have now one, two, three, four. Now we have four row and three column. Save. And if you remember, I told you for that in a style I am removing th, so that time it will not show you here line. You can see borderline, it will not show you. Yes, correct, only first name, last name, and point. And if you want to, like here we have in float, and here we have in left side text align, here you can see in middle. And if you want like first name should be come in left, then you need to use text align. I'll explain you. See here, first I'm going to use th border for th table heading. I'm using border 1 pixel solid border, collapse. See in output. Yes, it's coming. If you want is this, all three text should be in left, you can use for th. I don't have time, so I want to complete th. And for padding, it's for padding. And yes, text align and padding. So if you want to, don't worry, that CSS part I'll make for separate video for CSS. But now you need to understand till now that th for table heading, text align giving left, and border collapse one more property. And if you want to use style CSS, you need to put all code inside style tag. So save and see output. Yes, text align yes, and padding increasing by 5 pixels. So okay, till now we have now 4 row. Yes, 4 row and 3 column. See, 4 row, 3 column. First row is for our table heading th, and all three for our order. Now, two more property I want to explain you today, that is for collapse. So I'm going to copy this small code to explain you. So for this copy C, we have table row. In this row, I have 3 column. How 3 column? First for name, and second telephone is taking 2 space. Space for 2 column. So I am using column span. And for second row, we have 3 data TD, table data Abhinav, its phone number. I am giving for first and second. Trying to save. Before that, I am using yes. TH is okay. Thinking about style, yes. So here you can see name Abhinav, telephone is taking for 2 column space, that call span 2 column is merged into 1. For merging we need to use call, now call span, that is 2. If you are going to merge 2 column, 3 for 3, and so on. So this is for our table collapse, column span 2 for combine 2 column. Same if you want to combine row, we have row span. Yes. So same, copy, paste. So table style with 100%. I already explained it will take with as 100%. First row I am giving name, second I am giving Abhinav. TH heading. So Abhinav is table data, so I need to change. Yes. Okay, no problem. Table that I'm giving. Abhinav, trying to save. And for row span, I'm giving row span is 2. It is for combining, and you can see here to data. Yes, you can see. Yes, it's coming here, and you can see here is output. Thank you. I will meet you in